Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are good. Students, our topic for today is formation of seeds and fruits. Before starting the topic, we need to revise what is pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of the flower to the stigma of the carpel is called pollination. And after the pollination, the reproduction process will be started, and that is fertilization. In fertilization, the male part fuses with the female part and they form a zygote, and that process is called fertilization. Students, here is in front of you ovary of the flower. This is the ovary of the flower. When the pollen grains are stick to the stigma of the carpel, they move to the ovary, and here are ovules present in the ovary. That the gametes, the male gametes, unite to form the zygote here in this part of the flower, the female part, and then the reproduction of seeds and fruits will be started. Students, here is you can see the seed over there. The seed is covered by a tough seed coat, and inside the seed is the embryo and the stored food. If you remember, if you can see the seeds of any fruit like apple, you can take the apple seeds and you can see that if you uncover the part of the seed, you will find some parts in it. I will explain to you how the formation of seeds and fruit today. Here is a diagram in front of you that shows the part of the female part of the flower. So what happened from there, the seed is formated there, and then the embryo is present in the seed. Okay, the seed consists of three parts. I will explain to you, and that parts are the plumule, radicle, and cotyledon. These are the seeds. You can see when you uncover these seeds, like if you put these seeds, any seeds of fruit, into the water for some hours, you will uncover it. They will be swallowed and you can uncover them very easily, and these parts can be shown to you. This is plumule. This is the first stem of a new plant. This is radicle. These are the parts of the seeds. The radicle, which is your first root of the new plant over there. Then you have a seed coat. That coat, you can say the hard covering. The hard covering there, the seed coat, and the cotyledon inside it. This is the store of the food. So plumule is the first stem of the new plant. Radicle is the first root of the new plant. Seed coat is the tough hard covering which is over there, and cotyledon is the store of food. Here the seed grows and turns itself into a fruit. So here is a description given on the same page about a seed, that after the fertilization the ovules become a seed, and the embryo and the store of food are covered with the tough seed coat, and that seed coat had three parts. Radicle, which is the first root of a new plant. Then plumule, it is the first stem of the new plant. The cotyledon are the part of the embryo that supplies food to the growing young plant. Here is a description given. You can read it by yourself and learn it. We have a question related with this topic as well, so let us do that. Students, here is question number 6. Describe the structure of a seed, and that's its answer is. Here is, students, on page number 30, the topic seed over there. You can write the heading of seed and write the whole thing about it, and its parts are radicle, plumule, and cotyledon. You can write with the heading these parts as well, because these are the structure of seeds, and this is the structure of diagram of a seed. You can write the labeling along with it. You can draw it as well, and the ovary of the flower you can also draw. Okay, there's no need to draw this part. So write the answer from there, seed up to the cotyledon and the labeling. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Have a good day.